So this muscle right here is the gastrocnemius.
Okay.
Okay, deep to that, this muscle right here is soleus. This thin muscle right here is called the fibularis longus. Fibularis longus. And right here is going to be our tibialis anterior.
Nice, good work.
Okay. Now, moving along right here, we have our
What's on top of
Okay, we've got this on top right here is the gracilis, exactly. So we have pectineus longus, adductor adductor magnus. This one right here is semimembranosus, and this one right here, this muscle right here is semitendinosus.
Got it.
We flip this one over here. Biceps femoris. This muscle right along right here is semitendinosus, and this muscle right here again is semimembranosus.
Okay, so those are just from different angles.
What about the gluteus?
Over here on the cat we have this muscle right here is the gluteus maximus, and this one right here is the gluteus medius.
All right. Is there
Good.
anything else on there? How about the stomach?
All right.
Stomach?
All right. So over here, this are our external obliques are right here. If you see this line right here, this whole region right here, that's going to be our internal obliques. This all along this area right here, that's going to be our rectus abdominis. And we can't see it, but deep to this, it's actually going to be underneath right here. I mean, you can see a little bit right there. That's going to be our transverse abdominis.
Yeah, all right. I think that's a wrap. Okay.
Okay, and then right here, you can see it right there. This is going to be our pectoralis major. This line that separates the two, that's our pectoralis minor. Major, minor, major, minor.
All right.
Alrighty.
We see them rhomboids.
Alright, so let's open these up right here. As you can see, these right there, those are going to be our rhomboids.
Got it.
Alright. Trapezius, open this up. Supraspinatus. The spine is right here. Posterior to that is infraspinatus. Inside right here is subspinatus. Subscapular.
Subscapular.
Sub.
Like that.
Yes.
Great. Right off the top of your head.
Thank
That's awesome.
you.
Thank